This time around, we're gonna finish up. We just gotta do a little mounting cap for the steering wheel, and then we're gonna do our plates for our feet, for brakes and accelerator pedals, and install our brakes. Stay tuned. All right, steering wheel is done. Turns, it's all good. Next, we're gonna get our foot plates done. So we're gonna cut a piece of sheet from here to come up to here. Same thing on the other side. And then that's gonna provide us a nice foundation to mount our brake pedal on this side and accelerator pedal on this side. All right, now that we have these fitted up, we're gonna go ahead, run the same drill, basically just get them tacked in place using our fiberglass blanket. All right, girls, guys, cats, dogs, that's gonna be it right here. Positioning, same for this one. I'll go ahead and mark it out, and then we'll get those bolts in place. This will be pretty much done. This, we still have to route the brake lines. Things I didn't want to do. I didn't want to remove wheels, but that's what we have to. Alright, so we got these rubber hoses now, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to put them, and it looks like the best place will be to make a little bracket that comes up and brings out to here. That way it's got good swivel and room to move. So we'll either do a bracket off of this guy, come up, actually, yeah, probably that. That way it's out of a wheel, not gonna hit anything. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll just go ahead and mount it up right now. assuming this is the location for the hard line, so cool. Alright, let's talk about this brake setup real quick. So on this end, we're going to need a bubble fitting or a taper fitting, and then bring this down, come across here, and then right about here we're going to put one of these brake pressure sensors, so as soon as you start applying the brake, it's going to turn our brake lights on. So we're going to put this right about here on a T-fitting, and then bring it up here, and we're going to have a second T-fitting which is going to run it from the cylinder out to the left side and the right side, or vice versa, whatever. So we'll go ahead and get started with that and see how it works. So this is what we're going for. We're going for a bubble fitting like this, and we got 2 new ones right here for those. So over a week late, these little clamps finally showed up. So we'll go ahead and clamp down our brake lines, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive. Brakes are all done. Just gonna clean it up, take it for a test drive, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one.